Sabi ko isa lang, naging 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hello mga lovies! Your certified unboxing and foodie girly is finally here. Today is Saturday. Syempre, it's unboxing day.
Oh my God! Wow!
And for today, we're going to unbox the parcels that arrived to us this week. I know, excited na kayo. So how much more the excitement that I'm feeling right now, di ba? Kaya naman, without further ado, halina kayo at samahan akong i-unbox itong 3 parcels na ito na tsak na ikakabudol nyo din, gaya ng pagkabudol ko. So, tara na! Syempre, we always start unpacking the smallest parcel. So this parcel is from Rosmar, and buy one take one siya during her live last week. So I've never tried any product of Rosmar before, pero nabudol ako nito. So tada! I bought their lip tint. So buy one take one lang siya, and na makamura ko lang siya binili. So let's try. Ayan. Nakasil pa siya, so ibig sabihin, it's never been used. Yes guys, buy one take one ko lang siya, nabili. So if you really wanted to buy products, yung mga hot deals na yan, sa murang halaga, you watch live. So tingnan natin. Uy! Ang ganda guys! Look how red it is. Tada! Feeling ko, what I'm using right now is MAC Cosmetics, yung aking lipstick. And look at the difference. This one is powdery, while this one looks luscious. Diba? I can't wait to try this sa aking lips. So mamaya, siguro wipe natin yung ating lipstick so that we can see how it looks like sa lips natin. Diba?
A few moments later.
So ayan, talagang tinatanggal ko yung ating lipstick para matry ko talaga first hand yung ating biniling lip tint kay Rosmar. Diba? Tingnan natin how will it color my lips. Madali lang siyang i-apply. And lasang bubble gum. See that? This one yung in-applyan ko and the other one wala yung lipstick. Kasi ni-remove ko na gamit yung micellar water. Parang mas masarap yatang kainin ito. Diba? Kasi, totoo guys, lasa siyang bubble gum. Totoo guys, lasa siyang bubble gum. So, itest natin kung kiss-proof siya. So, walang lipstick yan. Tada! Merong konti kasi hindi pa siya tuyo. So, let's wait for another minute. Wait natin siyang matuyo din. I-try natin ulit yung kiss-proof test. Kung malilipat na siya. Anyway, it looks good. It looks pretty. And napakasarap na. Parang gusto ko na lang siyang nguyain. Instead of ilagay sa aking bibig. So there, mamaya, bago matapos yung ating video, i-kiss proof test ulit natin siya. So next natin will be this one. It's a parcel from overseas. And tada! Oh my god, this is my favorite color. Favorite color ko siya. So this is a tablet case for iPad Air. Ayan. Kasi Kasi diba, last time yung nag-unbox tayo, hindi ko gusto yung free na case ng ating tablet. Kaya, nabutol ako nito. Okay, so clear siya. Para siyang clear. Ito, ayan o. And then, green. And pwede na din siyang, yeah, it can stand, I think. Or no. Anyways, try natin siya sa tablet natin mamaya. So, this is the second parcel. And here comes our third parcel. So, yeah. Galing siya sa other one. So, toys. Ito yung mga naka-hot deals, yung mga 3,499 pesos nila. Pero this one, I only bought this for 106. Free shipping na siya. O, diba? 3 plastics kasi it comes from 3 different shops. Kasi nga, for 99 pesos. Sumobra lang yung akin kasi medyo mahal ito. So, pusahan natin ito. Una natin. Ano kaya ito? So, there. I bought a corner puncher kasi meron akong i-open na shop. And kailangan ko na corner puncher. Diba? Ang pretty niya, color pink. Next, ito naman yung i-unpack natin. This one, also in pink. It's a cloud-shaped cutter. Para hindi na tayo nagpipilas na gano'n kapag nag-unbox tayo, diba? Tara! Ang cute niya lang kasi automatic siyang nagtutos. Pretty in pink. And last but not the least, ang ating last parcel. Yeah, this is 3,499. Pero napasobrahan lang ng parang 7 pesos yung aking binayaran dahil medyo mahal ito. Pero swak pa rin siya sa budget. Di ba nga, meron akong air fryer and nahiligan kong magluto ng mga dishes, ng mga pastries sa air fryer natin. That's why we need this. So, there you have it, guys! So, ayan, bago matapos ang ating video, i-kiss proof test na natin yung in-apply natin na Rosemar lip tint. Ayan, o, diba? Pero, I think long-lasting naman siya kasi this is really a must-have. Kailangan nyo to. So, I hope nabudol ko kayo guys na bumili ng mga ito. I hope to see you again on our next unboxing video. So, bye guys! Toodles!